If no type constant is set, then a value of any and type is accepted. Okay, example use case, every employee in the medium corp is assigned in a identify number. For example, variable is AWS underscore instance. So the instance name is John123 or something like my EC2 instances. So right, we'll provide in the variable.tf. So in the terraform.tf vars, so we provided the variable number. So overview of the data types, how we can use the data types, a string, list, map, number. Okay. So count parameters. So count parameters we don't need. Okay. Count index, count parameters. So understanding the challenge with count. So with the below code, the Terraform will create 5 IAM users. But the problem is that all will have the same name. Okay. So count.index allows you to fetch the index of each iteration in the loop. You guys, so the conditional expressions, everything you will get it, guys. So once you started writing the Terraform, you guys just see the examples of the Terraforms, and you will create the stack. Looks like a stack. So main.tf, variable.tf, provider.tf, versions.tf, data.tf, right? Then same like as. Guys, understood? Conditional overview of the conditional local variables. So local variables, all local values assign a name of an expression, allowing it to be a multiple times within a module without repeating it. Okay. So a local value assigns a name to an expression, so allowing it to be used multiple times within a module without repeating it. Right, you see guys, the resources AWS underscore instance, resources AWS underscore EBS volume. So DBEBS app dev, AMI instance type, tags equal to local dot common tags, tags equal to local dot common tags. So the tags are used for these two, and here they created a tags. Locals, common tags, owner DevOps team, and services is backend. Okay, so this locals is using both the resources. Local values support from the expression. Local values can be used for multiple different use cases like having a conditional expression. So locals name prefix equal to var dot name dollar equal to var dot name and var dot default. We'll provide the variable name. Important pointers to local variables. Local variables can helpful to avoid repeating the same values or expression multiple times in a configuration. If over used, they can also make a configuration hard to ready future maintainer by holding the value actual values used. Functions you already know, right? Functions, numeric string collection, and so file system data types, time hash, crypto, networking, and type of configuration. Guys, understood? So defined under the data block, reads from the specific data source and exports results under the app AMI. For example, data A underscore data AWS underscore AMI app AMI. What is my app name? AMI. Okay. So must recent true, owners equal to Amazon, filter, name equal to name, values equal to value searcher. Okay. So in the resources, you see AWS underscore instances. So AWS instances one. So AMI data dot AWS AMI app dot AMI dot ID. Instance type equal to T2 micro. So we can segregate like this. Debugging the Terraform. So Terraform has a detailed logs which can be enabled by setting up TF log environment variables onto any value. You can see TF underscore log to one of the old levels, rtrace, debug, info, warn, and error. Okay, trace. Guys, understood?